car. It's a replica of a Cobra, AC Cobra, and it's a customer of ours, and he wanted to purchase this vehicle because he loves AC Cobras, but he always wanted with a distinct blue with black wheels, and you know the accent is black. So I had a lot of fun building it and put it together in a relatively short time, and it turned out really good. This is an engine that Bill built, our engine builder, and I think he did a wonderful job. It's a 392 stroker, and I think personally it's a little bit too much for this car, but that's just the way these cars are. Carroll Shelby always said, you never have enough horsepower, you don't have enough traction. Really good. So I had a lot of fun putting it together, just making sure everything is working. I still have to calibrate the speedo. The speedometer has to be calibrated, but I'm going to have to do it with two people. One's going to have to sit there and press the button so we can calibrate it. The other one's got to drive.